This is a totally different day and we're doing a little bit of everything at one time. I have still not completed painting my patio furniture, but we just went to Walmart and they had this planter on sale. The sign said clearance $11. Got to the register, it was $7. So what I want to do is, it's a nice size too. You know, my tree limb that I had leaning up against the wall around the house, wanted to do something with. We're going to take some cement and put it in the bottom of the planter and put it in the cement, and we brought it over here near the wall. That way we won't have to stand and hold it. Hopefully once we get the cement in, we'll place the tree, put the cement in, we can kind of prop it and let it cure. Go ahead and pour it. You haven't opened the thing.
You hold this and just pour it in. No, don't do that. This kid.
Oh. You probably should have had something over your face.
Why?
Oh, you gonna get cement. You should have put something over your
I
face.
can't breathe. I can't breathe.
Why you didn't put something over your face?
I can't make it. I gotta quit right here.
I'm trying to cover your nose for you.
Just let me die doing this for you.
You silly. He should have had something, a respirator over his face. So.
Okay. All right, put some more water in.
I thought you was gonna put the tree in there first. Some more water?
Yep. You too much, don't you?
Say fast, said you better get the tree in there. Need some water? Turn it so it can prop up against the house. Turn it. Turn it this way.
This one? Yeah. This one? It's not the phone.
You gotta pull it. No cement, is it?
Yeah, it goes.
You're gonna slide this out some. Let me get you out the camera face.
Right there.
No, I think you need to slide this out more. Just get your lean back. Okay.
Okay, pull it in.
I want you to get it more and slide it over in the middle. Slide the base of it over.
base of what, the tree?
The tree. I'm gonna slide the base of the tree
Where?
over towards the middle more, towards you.
There.
Okay. You gonna get the one in your hands, honey. It's okay. No, I'm pushing it. That's me pushing it, honey. Let it go.
Okay. All right, put the wood in.
Put your fingers.
Go ahead, put one in.
More?
Yeah. That's good. Hold on.
I'm trying to turn it off.
Let's turn it away from it. Okay? Because there's still something here that's not.
You are in the front of the camera. So you know what? Look at this.
There.
Can you come over this side? I can't see. How are you using your hand? You need your little stick thing?
Nope. See, you're not going to see this out here anyway.
No, but and that's enough water.
Yep.
Okay. Hopefully it won't blow over.
Once it hardens, you.
I know, I'm talking about before it really gets hard. You need to. Okay. So is that all you have to do to it?
That's it.
Okay, so we're gonna
Settle.
let it settle. It looks at least centered enough. Let's see. Look at it from this angle. Okay, so we'll let it cure and see what it looks like. This is what we used, and based on the information, it says that it sets hard in 20 to 40 minutes. So, and we picked this up from Lowe's Hardware. This is the next day, and the tree has set. I'm shaking it. Look, it's not going anywhere. Yeah, so that's great. And I'm glad we didn't have to use a lot of cement. Because that way, let me see if I can move it. Yeah, I can kind of slide it around myself if I need to, or get it to put it somewhere else. So, I like. I tell you, we have so many projects going on. We were working on the tree, working on the patio set.